How to deposit Paper Cash money to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit your Paper Cash money to your Cash App account. So first of all, you can deposit your paper money into your Cash App balance at participating retailers nearby you. Cash App charges a fiat rate of $1 processing fee on each paper money deposit. This fee is automatically collected from the fund that you are depositing. So paper money deposit are currently supported in the following merchants like 7-Eleven, Circle K, Dollar General, Family Dollars, and you can see the list. And you can also check the list and the nearby store from the paper deposit on your Cash App mobile according to your location. You can use the map in the paper money section of your banking tab to find a deposit location near you. To do so, tap the banking tab on the Cash App home screen and select the paper money, find a location near you and use the search bar to enter the address. Once you have found the convenient location, use the options to get direction or copy the address into your preferred navigation app. After you have arrived at the store, tell the cashier you want to load fund to your Cash App using your barcode. Once the cashier scans the barcode within the Cash App, hand them the money you would like to deposit. The fund will automatically be added in your Cash App balance. We recommend keeping a copy of your receipt from the cashier. So there are certain limitations like the amount of money that you can deposit through your paper money. So with paper money deposit, you can deposit up to $1,000 per rolling 7 days and $4,000 per rolling 30 days. Transaction must be a minimum of $5 and cannot exceed $500 per deposit. The 7-day and the 30-day limits are based on the rolling time frame. If you run into a deposit limit, the Cash App will send you a notification with more information. Certain merchants and retailers may ask for your ID as an additional verification step with your deposit cash. Since your paper cash deposit is being made at a store, you will need to follow any policies that location has in place. So this is basically how you will be able to deposit Paper Cash money to your Cash App. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.